Today I am going to show you how to add the Personal Macro Workbook to Excel 2016's Visual Basic for Applications, commonly known as VBA. Whether you are just starting out with macros or you have some experience, using the Personal Macro Workbook will allow you to access your macros on any workbook that you open. This will save you from having to rewrite or copy your macros over to every new workbook. I am using Excel 2016 on Windows 7, but this should work for Excel 2016 on any operating system. You will also need to access the developer ribbon in Excel. Adding the Personal Macro Workbook will only take a few minutes, but will save you time whenever you need to run your macros. You can do this on a blank workbook or on your workbook that has your macros. First, open Excel, and you will need to have the developer ribbon enabled. If you do not already have it enabled, then to add the developer ribbon, go to File, click Options, click Customize Ribbon, click the Developer checkbox, click OK. For other operating systems, the buttons will be a little different, but the general location of the developer checkbox is the same. Now to add the Personal Macro Workbook, click on the Developer tab, click Record Macro on the left side of the ribbon. A new window will pop up. Click the drop-down menu for Store Macro In. Select Personal Macro Workbook. The name does not matter, as you are just using this to create the Personal Macro Workbook. Click OK. Click around on a few cells. Click Stop Recording in the same spot that Record Macro was. You have just added your Personal Macro Workbook to Excel. To verify that it has been created and to access it to store your macros, click on Visual Basic, and you will see a VBA project, Personal XLSB, on the left side of the VBA window. You can now add your macros to the modules here. And once you click Save, for the Personal XLSB, you will be able to access them on any workbook that you open.